The Indian Defence Minister visited the facility of the Aeronautical Development Establishment in Bengaluru earlier today, where he reviewed the progress of Rustam 2 drone, A319-based Netra Mark II aircraft, and the ISTAR program, the DRDO's exoskeleton program, and several engine programs including the indigenous Manik engine program. He also experienced flying in the Tejas simulator at the facility. At a time when France has offered the Barracuda-class submarine to India, a top French Navy commander has said in an interview to Naval News that the arrival of the first Barracuda-class submarine has brought a lot of change for the French submarine forces. The Soufrière submarine is more stealthy and brings more endurance and firepower, which calls for development of new tactics with the Soufrière. He also said that the first submarine has already spent more than 120 days at sea and dived for 3,000 hours, and has fired about a dozen F-21 torpedoes, and has achieved an endurance over several dozen days. The trials are now in the phase of validation of military characteristics on weapon systems, and more firings will be conducted in the coming days. The Soufrière submarine needs just one technical stop per year, which lasts about 2.5 months, after which it can spend over 200 days at sea. He also said that the Navy has also validated the lockout chamber for the Naval Special Forces, and the Soufrière is all set to enter active duty in the coming months. India's Secretary for Defence Production has said that India is seeking to export the K9 Bajra self-propelled howitzer to third countries in cooperation with South Korea, which will be a win-win partnership between the two countries. He also said that the Indian Armed Forces are very satisfied with the performance of the 100 K9 Bajra howitzers, and this variant is very effectively adapted and indigenously built for Indian conditions and requirements, and has a good export potential in third countries, and the two government and industries are cooperating to take these opportunities forward. India has issued a NOTAM for a launch of an experimental flight vehicle for a range of 2,000 kilometers in the Bay of Bengal, for the period from 27th to 28th October, which has led to speculations that it will be the first limited-range test of the MIRV-capable K-5 submarine-launched ballistic missile. The DRDO is also working on Agni-4 Prime, that is an advanced next-generation canister variant nuclear-capable ballistic missile with a range of 4,000 kilometers, that will replace the existing Agni-4. Hindustan Aeronautics has started the modernization program to upgrade and modernize its testing infrastructure, and is all set to start extensive testing of its HTSE 1200 engine using a test helicopter mock-up, and later a new prototype will be manufactured and integrated on the flying testbed helicopter, that will be tested in all parameters and conditions before it can enter production, and can replace the French Safran engine, after which the indigenous platforms like light combat helicopter will not require any external export permissions. The Indian Army has established an airspace control center for the first time in the forward area in West Kamang district in the eastern sector. The aim of the center is to track movement and allow operations to go seamlessly. The Indian Army is testing the Benico Odisha 800 all-terrain vehicle in Sikkim near the line of actual control, which is one of the most successful quad bikes in the 800cc class. This all-terrain vehicle weighs around 600 kilograms, has a maximum speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and can carry a load of 242 kilograms.